saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a clean and declutter with me. I'm focusing on the kitchen and then decluttering under the kitchen sink because it's just got so bad under there. I'll also be doing some laundry and lots of cleaning in today's video, so be sure to leave this a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it.
Counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars.
So I'm going to start off by doing the washing up and then clearing off all the sides. I do prefer to declutter a space after I've cleaned it, so I'm just going to go in and give it a good clean first.
We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
So you know what I'm like when it comes to letting the washing up just air dry. So now I've washed up, I am just going to leave it to air dry while I wipe down all of the sides and everything, and then I can just go back to it after and it's pretty much dry. I don't really know why I do this. I think I've just got into the habit of doing it this way, so I'm just going to leave it and come back to that in a minute.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, baby, while we're young. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
I thought thought I'd show you a few before shots before I wipe these down, because you really can't see from a distance how dirty they actually are, and being a glossy finish they do get filthy really easily. So I thought I would show you a quick before and I will show you what they look like when I've finished.
Until I'm safe again, I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them the right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.
So I'm just going to take this time to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking the subscribe button down below. I do post on this channel every Tuesday and Thursday to bring you lots of cleaning motivation and decluttering and home decor inspo, and I would absolutely love for you to stick around and be part of the family.
Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart of the motor. It's so much better alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're loving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say.
And this is what it looks like afterwards, and it's really just as good as it's going to get. I think you can still see a few smudges from where I touched it after wiping it, but having the glossy finish is just what I have to deal with. But I think it looks good enough when it's done, and like I said, from a distance you can't really see. So now I've finished wiping everything down, I'm just going to crack on with the floor, because I am going to be doing a lot of decluttering. There's going to be a lot of sitting on the floor, crawling around on the floor, and I just want to make sure it's clean before I do that.
Like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart of the motor. It's so much better alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're loving on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. Oh, that you only want me. Oh, that you only want me.
So now the kitchen's all done, I am going to crack on with the decluttering under the kitchen sink. As you can see, it is a complete disaster and I can't even get anything in it anymore or find anything that's in there. So I'm just going to start by pulling everything out, giving the cupboard a good clean, and then just sorting through what's in there, getting rid of any rubbish and empty bottles, and just trying to organise it in a little bit of a better way, because I have organised it before and it just didn't work out. So hopefully I find a new system that works a little bit better.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold?
So I am definitely taking you through my whole thought process with this, because I didn't really think it through before I started. I had no idea how I wanted to organise it or anything, so it did take me a little while to figure it all out, but I just think it looks so much better, and hopefully I can keep it in the system that I've got it, because it really didn't work last time. So fingers crossed it works this time. Do let me know down in the comments if you're relaxing whilst watching this, because I really find it relaxing watching other people declutter. I watch so many clean with me's and declutter with me's myself, so I am one that just makes a cup of tea and puts my feet up when I watch them. So let me know down in the comments if you are like me and you are watching with a nice cup of tea, or if you are decluttering a space in your home as well.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Feel like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance, I'll say I'm nothing for us.
So I really didn't think it through when I got to this point. I was putting the sponges and the cloths in, really proud of myself for getting everything to fit, and I realised that I still had 2 more boxes and all of those Sephoras and everything to go in. So I decided to take everything back out again, just those bottles, and only put the bottles in that I use on a daily basis. So at the end of this video, not all of those bottles fitted, so they did go in a separate cupboard, and I'm only keeping things in this cupboard that I actually use all the time, because otherwise there is just not enough room. I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to cleaning products, so I need to try and tame what I buy and only buy what I need. So I've put the overflow of bottles in a different cabinet, and then I can just use those up before diving into this and using everything in here instead. But I've tried to keep all the bottles that I use separately, and then the box at the bottom is just for all my added extras. So you can see that before is just a complete mess, and now everything has its space, everything has its box, and all of the sprays and everything are lined up, and I can just grab it as I go. It just makes everything so much easier, so I am so happy with how this turned out. So now I've got a big pile of washing that I need to fold up and put away. I think you saw it in one of my previous clips, just a pile of washing on the floor, and it was clean. I was just waiting for the last load out of the tumble dryer to be done so I could just fold it up all together. So I always just wait, I never fold one load at a time. I always just wait until I've got all of the washing done, and then I can just fold it up all in one go rather than having to keep going back and doing the laundry all throughout the day. I'd rather just get it done in one hit. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold all of this up and put it all away.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's clean and declutter with me, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today, and that you've decluttered some spaces in your home as well. Do let me know down in the comments if you have, because I would absolutely love to hear from you. And please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I post every Tuesday and Thursday to bring you lots of motivation throughout the week to get everything done. And also leave this a thumbs up if you have enjoyed today's video. I'm going to go ahead and leave some more videos up on the screen here for you, so you can just jump in and watch another one straight after if you are looking for more motivation, and I will see you back here in the next one.